India, a land of diversity, culture, and innovation. From ancient wisdom to modern achievements, this nation stands tall as one of the greatest in the world. But what makes India truly remarkable? Let's explore. India's greatness begins with its incredible history. Known as the cradle of one of the oldest civilizations, India gave the world treasures like yoga, Ayurveda, and even the concept of zero. Did you know the ancient Nalanda University was one of the world's first institutions of higher learning? India's contributions to science, philosophy, and mathematics laid the foundation for modern advancements. India is a melting pot of cultures, languages, and traditions. With over 22 official languages and thousands of dialects, it's a country that celebrates unity in diversity. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Eid bring people together, creating a sense of harmony like nowhere else. From the mighty Himalayas to the serene beaches of Goa, India is blessed with natural beauty. It's home to majestic wildlife like Bengal tigers, Asiatic lions, and thousands of bird species. The country also boasts UNESCO World Heritage Sites like the Taj Mahal, a symbol of love admired worldwide. In modern times, India has emerged as a global powerhouse. It's the largest democracy with over 1.4 billion voices shaping its destiny. India is a leader in space exploration, launching missions like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan. Its vibrant tech industry has given the world innovations and top CEOs like Sundar Pichai and Satya Nadella. But what truly makes India great is its people. Their resilience, hospitality, and entrepreneurial spirit are unmatched. From freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi to inspiring leaders like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, India's human legacy continues to inspire the world. So why is India great? It's not just its history, culture, or innovations, it's the soul of the nation, the people, their dreams, and their unwavering belief in unity. India is not just a country, it's an emotion. What do you think makes India great? Let us know in the comments.